So someone has just ordered one of my cake toppers. Merry Christmas. Just going to prepare that right now. If you enjoy my video so far, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that like button down below so this video can reach out to more people who do similar things to me or trying to start a new business. So here I have some gingerbread men which I'm about to sew together, and I've got all my stuff prepared as you can see, so let's get right into it. That is the completed look. Look how cute they are with the little buttons on as well. And also down below we have the ones with hearts, and all 6 of them are going out to a customer, which I will package them right now. Let me know in the comments down below which one do you find cuter, the one with the heart or the one with the bow. finished making this birthday topper and I'm about to package this up and get it sent off. It's super sparkly and I just love the colour. I know by the time you guys see this video, Halloween would have been over, but I just thought I'd show you anyway. It's so nice and I'm about to put some sticks on them and show you the end result in a moment. I've got more cake toppers to send off. I've got a 7th birthday topper here and a farewell topper, and as usual I'm just going to package them up and get them ready to be sent out. I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far and you find it helpful. Be interested to know if you watch these videos because it's similar to what you do, or you're trying to learn something like what I do. Yeah, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and see what kind of stuff you are interested in making. Hey guys, it's a Friday today and I finished my orders early and had them all sent out this morning around 11 AM, and since I've got back I've just been working on stuff that hasn't been completed, like taking pictures of new items and listing them on Etsy and eBay. Also, I'm just going through my folders on my laptop to see what else I could work on, because I do have some projects that have been left on hold. It's just sometimes, you know, when you're working on several things and it can become very overwhelming. So I'm just trying to prioritize them, get the ones that I really want out done first, and then work on the ones, basically work on the ones that I haven't finished now. So yeah, hopefully in the next studio vlog I can show you some of my Christmas items, which I'm really excited about. And also I am working on some flyers, which hopefully I can show you that as well. So thank you for watching this studio vlog, and I hope you have a nice day, a week, and please subscribe and like this video to see more in the future, and let me know what you enjoyed most about this video and I'll try and make more of it. So see you in the next one.